everyone. This is the engineering graphics class lecture number 3, and this is the part part 2 of the projection of points. We have in previous two lectures discussed the quadrant system and how the three-dimensional view of quadrant system is made and how two-dimensional form of that is made. So in this lecture we will discuss the projection of points in first quadrant. Okay, we will go these four quadrants one by one. In today's lecture I have only chosen the projection of points in first quadrant. First of all, we have to remember that the point in the first quadrant may be at different locations. I have summarized those locations into these 4 points. Position or location of point may be, first point is, it may be in front of vertical plane, VP stands for vertical plane, and above horizontal plane. In this pictorial view, the point is here, point A. This is point A, and this is the condition number 1 or position number 1, where the point A is above the horizontal plane. We have assumed that it is 30 mm above the horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane, that is 20 mm. This is assumed distance 20 mm. So this is the first condition. Second condition is the point may be in horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. Okay, means this is the horizontal plane and the point is here. This is the point. Okay, point A is here. Okay, this is the point A. This is 20 mm in front of vertical plane but in horizontal plane. Okay, it is on the horizontal plane, or we say it in horizontal plane. This is condition number second. Condition number first was it was in front of vertical plane and above the horizontal plane. This is condition number first. Condition number second, the point is here. Okay, now condition number third, or position of the point, position of the point or location of the point as per the third condition is in vertical plane and above the horizontal plane. That is this condition. The point A is in this condition in the vertical plane. This is the vertical plane. Okay, this is condition number third, but it is above. This is horizontal plane, but it is above horizontal plane 20 mm. We have assumed this distance, that is 20 mm. Okay, this is condition number third. And in condition number fourth and last condition, that the point may be both in vertical plane and horizontal plane. This is that position or that location is this. This is condition number fourth. Point A is both in horizontal plane as well as in vertical plane, because this XY line which separates the two planes, vertical plane and horizontal planes, where these are connected to each other, is the condition where the point lies in both the planes. Okay, have you got the point? Let us take this model example by which we can further, or you can further understand it easily. What is the first condition? In front of vertical plane and above horizontal plane. Means let us assume this is the point, this is the horizontal plane, and this is the vertical plane. If we go by first condition, that is here. Okay, this is above horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. Okay, now condition number second, in horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. in front of means it is away from this, but in horizontal plane it will lie on this horizontal plane. Okay, this is in front of vertical plane but in horizontal plane. Okay, now third condition is in vertical plane and above horizontal plane, means the point is here, point is here, it is in vertical plane, it is in vertical plane but above the horizontal. As it is the vertical plane, if I will not press it, it will come down. Okay, so I am pressing it to this, means it is in horizontal plane, vertical plane but above the horizontal plane. Okay, this is condition number third. And condition number fourth is both in vertical plane and horizontal plane. That condition is fulfilled here, anywhere, this point means here is the point which separates the two planes, vertical plane and horizontal plane. This is the point where this fourth condition is fulfilled. Okay, hope you have got this point by this pictorial present pictorial view also, pictorial this modular view also. Okay, now let us the projections, orthographic projections of these points, point number 1, 2, 3 and 4, according to these positions. First of all, we will make a xy line, because we have to open this in clockwise directions. As I told you, we are going by clockwise direction, we are opening these planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane. Vertical plane is as it is, but horizontal is rotated like this, so it becomes in 2D like this. I have already drawn the two-dimensional view of these vertical plane and horizontal plane. So in orthographic projection, we simply draw the xy line. Okay, this is the xy line like this. Okay, for remembrance, in case of first quadrant, above xy plane is vertical plane and below this is horizontal plane. In examination, you are not supposed to be HP. So we will take the first condition, that is in front of vertical plane and above horizontal plane. So you have to remember also this point is, first point you have to remember that first point is that in front view we are able to see the distance of the point which is away from the horizontal plane. First important rule or point is that in front view we are able to see how much is this point away from horizontal plane. Okay, this is 30 mm in this particular problem. Number 2 point you have to remember, or number 2 rule you have to remember, that in TV means top view we are able to see the position of the point, how much it is away from the vertical plane. When we see its top view will be seen from here and front view will be seen from here, because observer will be here at that time. Okay, so in front view we are able to see how much is this point away from the horizontal plane, and in top view we are able to see how much is this point A away from vertical plane. Okay, this is rule number first and rule number second. Okay, is it clear? These are the two important rules which you have to remember. Okay, let's rub this. Now, as per these two rules, in front view we will front view of this point A, we will be able to see how much is it away from this horizontal plane. In this case it is 30 mm away, so we will go 30 mm away and draw its front view, and front view is always denoted by small a dash. Okay, and this much of distance is 30 mm. This much of distance is 30 mm. Then I have already told you that this we have to draw a thin projector line, because this front view and top view lie on the same projector. Now in top view we are able to see how much is it away from the vertical plane. It is 20 mm. Let us say this is a 20 mm. This is 20 mm, this is 30 mm, and this is its top view. Is it clear? And top view is always denoted by small a if the point is capital A, and this is 20 mm, and this is the thin projector line. This is front view and this is the top view. Is it clear? This is for condition number first. Okay, now we will go for condition number second. This is for condition number first. We have drawn its front view and its top view. Okay, now for condition second, the condition or position of the point is in horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. Means this is the second condition. Okay, when we see its front view, means we are looking from this side, we will not be able to see how much is it away from the vertical plane. So its front view will lie on XY line. So this is its front view denoted by A dash. Okay, now in top view we will be able to see how much is it in front of vertical plane. In top view it is 20 mm. This is its top view. Okay, as I told you that this front view and top view lie on the same projector. Okay, this is condition number second. Now for condition number third. For condition number third, the point is in vertical plane and above the horizontal plane. Okay, that is this condition. So in front view we will be able to see how much it is above from horizontal plane. That is, we will go 20 mm here. This is its front view. A dash, draw a thin projector. Okay, this is its front view, but when we see its top view, as it is in VP, so its front view, top view will lie on XY line. We are not supposed to go here. This is its top view. And how much is this distance? This distance is, we have supposed it to be 20 mm. This is third condition. Now fourth condition. Fourth condition is the position of the point is both in vertical plane as well as in horizontal plane. That is here. So it's front view and top view. When we see it in front and top, its front view and top view will lie on, this is its front view and this is also its top view, because it lies on the XY line. So it is 0 mm away from horizontal plane and 0 mm away from vertical plane. Hope you have understood, completed the lecture of projection of points in first quadrant. Thanks.